We're going to jump right into this video. I'm about to go to the post office. It's snowing crazy in North Carolina, but I'm about to go drop off my little bit of packages. It's a blessing. It's still a blessing. It's a blessing to even have these orders. So I'm about to go drop these orders off, right? And on top of dropping these orders off, I'm going to go enjoy the snow. Let me put my curtains back. Let me see. I'm enjoying the snow. Let's enjoy. I'm from New York City. So when you from New York City, this what they got here, it ain't nothing. It ain't gonna bother. It ain't gonna bother us, because we from New York. But the road shut down for this here in North Carolina. So let's go, come with me, to see if I could get these packages to the post office. I'll be back. It's open, guys. It's open. I'm excited. So in this post office, they say we can't use our phones. We can't record. We can't do nothing in this post office. So I can't take y'all with me inside. But I'll be back.